Mm. Hello, my name is Lê Mai Phương. Now I experience example one. Give to road tutorial for beginners. Step one: create a local Git repository. Step two: add a new file to the repository. Step 3. Add a file to the staging environment. Uh, Step 4. Create a commit. Step 5. Create a new branch. And step 10. Get change on GitHub back to your computer. Uh, Now welcome to is example 2. Let us note, let's build a simple web application that brings hello world on the browser opens user request. We will use the native HTTP modules of Node to active the web server functionally. One of the most common reports that you need to handle while developing a Node application is this: MPT install safe expect. Mm, let's look over how to send HTML as a response. When you run this code, you should see the following reports. As you can see, we are using Switchcase to determine different row and one X row. We are setting different reports to X row navigate the browser to local 3 3000 how to view the reports. Uh, Negative the browser to local 3000 about to view the second response. Node, node modules are the basic building blocks of the Node program. Node module is a set of functions that can be used in the application. Node have a built-in module as well as you can create the Node module. Some of the famous built-in Node module is a FS, NEST, HTTP, and many of the popular modules such as Express are not built on top of those modules. We can install Node module using Node Package Manager and Score npm. You can install Node module using the following commands: open the terminal command box and run this command. You can create the our Node module as well. All you need to do is create a function and export it from the receivability. For example, consider this code which can as a Node module. There are lots of methods provided under the Node module is perform various tasks such as creating file, writing data into file, reading data from file. You can use a fs.thread file or fs.thread file size method to read file is not, for example, using the read file methods, using the read file method. Um, Export the open methods opens a new file or creates a new empty file if it does not exist in the specific path. It takes a second parameter which as a fast such as blue for writing a plus for listening and writing is FS wrote append file method append server file content as the end of the file. To delete a file, we can use the fs dot unlist method. As you can also copy file using the fs copy fs dot copy method. You should see the following message in the terminal. Here is the profile page. Here is the home page. Here is the login page. And here is log on log out page. Uh, Connecting MongoDB. User PostgreSQL. REST server. Redis is REST. Not provide a built-in library called Gelato, which you can use to perform cryptographic operation on data. You can do cryptographic operation on string buffers and streams. To begin with, install the library is not very package with Node. We use the code to generate a hash. Uh, Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Lê Hoài Nam. Uh, Now I presentation exercise 3 answer. Uh, First, deploy a Node.js application to Heroku. One instruction, Node.js and JavaScript runtime for server-side application. Heroku is a cloud platform that makes application deployment easy. Got this symbol Node.js application and deploy it to Heroku via GitHub. Two, creating a Node.js application. Step one, create a project folder. Step two, internally package season. I should command npm in this way. Step three, create app Node.js file. Step four, run the application locally. Three, pushing the project to GitHub. Step one, initialize Git init and Git app. Step two, connect to GitHub. Form deploy the application to Heroku. Step one, sign up for a Heroku account. Um, if you don't have an account, visit HTTPS sign up and log Heroku. Step two, connect GitHub to Heroku. Step three là deploy the application. Fine conclusion. Suggest a create and deploy a Node.js application to Heroku. The application is accessible from anywhere via the internet. Update boot to GitHub will automatically deploy on Heroku. Here is deploy finish. Yeah. Hello world. Now, exercise for answer. Handle bar in Node.js with Fred. One introduction handlebar. Handlebar.js is a JavaScript by template engine that helps supply UI and login in web application. uh, through setup and installation. Um, Step one, initialize project with npm to command npm init away. Step 2, install required library npm install fret sbs 3, try the code, grid file index.js and grid file index in folder view. For running the application, I choose command node.js file. It binding the application with layout and material. First, create layout in view layout.sbs. Choose the layout in index.fbs. Okay. This is my presentation. Thank you.
Uh, hello, my name is Don Trọng Tĩnh, and I do E5.1 managing database in MongoDB Compass. And step 1, connecting to MongoDB Compass. First, open MongoDB Compass. The second is obtain the deployment connecting string from your Atlas cluster. 3. Click on Connect with MongoDB Compass and paste the connection string. And step 2 is creating and managing database. First is one connected. The home page will display the list of database. The second is click the Create Database button, and the third is enter the database name and collection name, then click Create Database. Step 3, managing document in MongoDB Compass. You navigate to the result collection. Use the Add Data button to insert new document. Query document using filters, for example. It is example. And update document using update button. And you can delete document using that delete button. And step 4 is exporting and importing data. Click the import data button to download document in JSON or CSV format, or you can use the import data feature to upload document into a collection. Next to E5.2, querying MongoDB Atlas using MongoDB Compass. With step 0, login into MongoDB Compass with your connection string. You open MongoDB Compass and enter your MongoDB Atlas connection string in the connection file. The third is click connect, and the last one is successfully connected. You will see the main interface of MongoDB Compass. You don't need to have an existing database or collection to proceed. Step 1, running MongoDB query. After establishing a successful connection, execute the following command in sequence using MongoDB Compass shell. Create or switch to database. This command switch to a database named productdb2. The second is drop collection and insert data. This command is drop or delete the existing product collection or insert five new product document into the product collection and file or document. This is retriever all document in the product collection. Find product with a specified color. It is for a filter and retriever all product where the color is blue. Identify product with a price between $300 or $6,000. Identify product price between three $30 or $6,000, sorting them from highest to lowest price. Increase price of all product by 20. This increase the price of all product by $20. They delete all product with a price less than 300. This this pipeline mean extract the money of the imported date file and filter the product import in August. Alternative method, if using NoSQL Booster, you can run the same query more easily with its built-in query editor. And next to E6, performing CRUD operation with Mongoose and MongoDB Atlas and configuring MongoDB replica set on Ubuntu 20.04. This report cover two main topics: how to perform CRUD operation using Mongoose with MongoDB Atlas, how to configure a MongoDB replica set on Ubuntu, including key file authentication setup. Performing CRUD operation with Mongoose and MongoDB Atlas. First, step 1, setting up the Express server and connecting to MongoDB Atlas. And step 2 is creating a Mongo model. And step 3 is implementing CRUD API. And the next is configuring MongoDB replica set on Ubuntu. Step 1, install MongoDB. Step 2, configure MongoDB on each node. Edit the configuration file and update the following line. Restart MongoDB. And next, step 3, open firewall port. Step 4, initialize the replica set on the primary node and add secondary node and check status. Step 5, configure key file authentication. The first, create a key file. The second, edit MongoDB config file. And the last, restart MongoDB. These reports cover how to perform CRUD operation with Mongoose and MongoDB Atlas as well as configuring a MongoDB replica set on Ubuntu. The step ensure a scalable and secure database setup for production environment. That's all my thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vũ and I will presentation answer exercise 7 MongoDB Connectors. The first is Connectors database. Yeah, you can see that Connect is successful with the MongoDB Street Fighter. The next equate character is uh, I can use URL MongoDB. Yeah, uh, create create this character is name Secure Ultimate Secure. That's the file character. Yes, you can see the file character. The next is simple is simple for cost chart is simple cost update and delete character. The next is uh, answer exercise A. Deploy Node.js. Create create project is cd exercise A. npm initial npm. Information about name, version, main script. Yeah. The next is create this index.js is express require post uh, methods get hello response and welcome to file function with Node express. Yeah. And create this application install Virtual CLI. The first you need to install Virtual CLI. If you have already npm install JVirtual, log in into Virtual, run the following command log into Virtual account. Yeah, this is login Virtual. The next is config the project. Navigate to root directory of your project. Yeah. Run Virtual is operation setup and deploy with scope so it contain your project and what's your project name in which directory in your code located. And well done, Virtual automatically deploy your project and provide with your a link to a site with the domain. Yeah, welcome to Firebase with Node.js. And the last is if you have modified your code, enter CLI Virtual build Virtual prompt. This 9 is answer exercise 9.1. The first is introduce Kubernetes in the practice. Yeah. Pre-installing and deploy our first application is the application and kind metadata specifically container name in its container. Yeah, answer is fine and it's jump perfect. As next is kubectl apply init is see the message saying init spot created. If you run kubectl get spot and you can see our application we created. Yeah, get spot. And get spot for what init is latest learning different way export application. You can set both by other application running in our Kubernetes cluster by our user. Which now let's forward the request for localhost to this application. Yeah, you can see about it. You try access to localhost with your browser. You should see it is welcome page. Yeah, this is recap. Create this file calling init gem saying we want this to init docker image and we send this manifest to Kubernetes. using kubectl. After confirm, the application was running kubectl and request received on post one response to our application. The next is boss. I think the boss is multiple container application. Yeah, it's important to understand that both the ultimate units of securing in Kubernetes. So if you want to run and say 10 reply of our application, we should be create 10 posts instead of creating one post with 10 container. We will see more samples practice when we talking about deployment. Yeah, multiple posts means container, multiple means once box is contain is mini container scale application with multiple box. Yeah, where I miss come from is in this manifest we are defining units at the Docker IMS name to run, but we never tell Kubernetes where it should look for this IMS. Yeah, IMS directory. Multiple container pod is GitHub was for updates. Website pod is container Unix container with from document and report folder container update document. Playing with standing pods is if you don't have pod from browser example running, copy the manifest to file color Unix jam and run. Yeah, Streamlog. Streamlog is Kubectl is log if log follow minutes. So you try set to localhost. You should see the log show up with here. Here is time or methods. SQL command. You can SQL up. You can SQL up literally command in container running in our post. You like opening an SSH connection. Yeah, you can see and SQL yes. Root unit. Change something in this container to see that's what's happened and root unit is work. Next is killing post. Uh, we killing post our post either because we don't need it anymore similar file. We can do that two different ways. The killing is by name delete box. If you run uh, almost everything Kubernetes in will work around pods. So it's so very important to understand what they are, how to run and interact with them. I encourage you to try run a pod yourself. In the sample so far we have been using Linux, so good exercise would be to try to run this another web server that was similarly had a list of something to do. Yeah. Recap. About the automatic of securing in Kubernetes is where our container run. We can have multiple containers running in the same pod, but we usually have primary container and the other just happen the primary deployment. Introduce deployment pods. Um, I write very simple application in Ruby is here application code and write a Docker file and build Docker image. Docker build image. Yeah, and run it. And the next is first Docker image to Docker hook. After image is uploaded, we are ready to use in our manifest. The next is defining our deployment manifest. is a version kind metadata is space mass label image. Guest deployment is name and available. Get bot status running. Yeah, hello Kubernetes. Scaling in our application. In the another cool this deployment can do is scale and down the number of reply we have running right now. Running a single container in our application. Changing a just matter of operating manifest. File without destroy number of replica and sending that Kubernetes. Replica 10 guest deployment and guest spot if running. Scaling is down. You can probably manage to what we need to do scale. That's number of posts down now. And just in the deployment manifest to match the number of reply you want and Kubernetes will make sure terminal the post for us. Yeah, reply to rolling out release is another thing that deployment can help us with rolling out new version and our application. Let's first create new version of our service that's that's our let's go to for our v2 you know, build and first docker image change docker v1 to docker v image print story hello v1 change by image print story hello v2 v1 change v2 you can use the was flash to was change the command output for sample kubectl guestpot what will print a new line for everything change in output. Yeah, kubectl guestpot what and and deployment is controller roll rate. Rollout rate is there are two properties you can use define how fast our rollout will happen, master and math available. Yes, strategy, rolling update, math, math measure and math available. Using the different rollout strategies, as you may notice when we using the rolling update strategy. And strategy if we create this. Thank you for listening.